Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off ransomware protection in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off ransomware protection on Windows 10 computer, go to search and type Windows Security. Click on Windows Security. In left pane, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now scroll down. Here you will find ransomware protection and you will find also a link Manage Ransomware Protection. Click on it and here look Control Folder Access, and now it's turned on. Just click here to turn it off and then click on Yes. Now, ransomware threat protection is turned off in my Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.